Okay, both of her big toe have like a lot of ingrown like this. So how to cut it? Let me show the way how to cut the ingrown. Okay, so let me start with this one. Can you soak this one? Yeah. Okay. So,
nó mà try cả nó trở lại đây này
yeah. Okay, the way to cut ingrown. First of all, you have to like check on the side first, and then the pusher. You have to like here use the pusher to the side like this, and then find out where is the nail. So her nail it grow like really deep to the side like this. See that? It's so deep to the side. Does it hurt?
A little bit.
Yeah. See that? It's her nail and then the cuticle. So just take this cuticle out like this. And then now I find out her nail is very deep. So use the nail, cut from the side, from the top to the side a little bit, and pull it. Big, so it's really big piece, and then you see that it's so deep to the side. This one side, and the other side do the same thing. Like see have like very deep nail, like the way her nail grow, it just like so deep inside. So the way you cut it, you have to cut like from the side to the ankle like this. Really deep. So I think I already cut it out. See that when you cut it out, you feel better? Yeah, or still?
Yeah, I feel a little bit of tenderness, but it does feel a lot better.
Okay. Yeah, because I already cut the nail out. But how about right here? You feel good, or you still feel something in there?
That's good there.
How about this one?
Exact side, yeah.
This one, you still feel a little bit, right? Right
Yeah.
here, right?
Yep.
Yeah, right here it still have a little bit more, so you have to cut a little bit more if she still feel a little bit more. I already cut it out. Okay, let's soak it a little bit. Then I start to cut with this one. So this one is the same thing. It really deep. See that? To cut it, you have to use the pusher to find where you should cut. Does it hurt or not really?
No, not really.
That's good. Yeah. Okay. So because of her nail, see the way it grow really deep into the skin. We have to cut it like an angle right here. Pull it out. This side, it looks like you already cut it, but it still have left. See? Here, you could tell with her nail, it's still left right here a little bit. So when you cut it, you have to make sure that you cut all out. This way it's not bother. If you left it like that, it's still hurting. Try. There you go. Pull it like this. See, it's a big piece. It's not bother yet, but it will be if you keep it for long. Keep it for a long time. Okay. Yeah, I think I got it. I got both. Okay. You could soak this one. Let me check this one again, because this one is a little bit swollen on the side. Border you right here, right? Right here?
It's okay. It doesn't.
Now it doesn't
hurt.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. That's good then. I already cut it then. Okay, I got them.
Remember, it used to take you like an hour just to do that?
Yes.